Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's video will be regarding the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm gonna talk about the Apple iPhone 12 series which has been launched a couple of days ago, and according to that leak we are getting some of the new information about the device. There are certainly many features which has been implemented inside the device, but I personally think that there are top 5 features which are helping out the iPhone 12 Pro Max to be the best of the best. So before going into the video, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and also press the bell notification icon so you can get notified for every new video which I upload on my channel. So first of all, I am going to talk about the design of new iPhone 12 series. It's a new design from Apple, and this is going to be the flat display which we are going to see, and it is kind of a similar design which we have already seen in iPhone 5 series. And after that we have seen, since from iPhone 6s we have seen that there is going to be a rounded edges in the iPhone series, but now a flat display has been introduced, and I'm pretty much excited about that flat display because you know that this is going to be a little bit slimmer in terms of bezels because it's a flat display. And when you compare it with the previous generations of iPhone 11 Pro Max or iPhone 10R, you will obviously notice that it is going to be pretty much slimmer in terms of bezels. So thumbs up to Apple team for having such kind of a design. Obviously I don't like the notch which is present on the front of the device because it is kind of an annoying thing. All the other smartphone manufacturers like the Samsung and bunch of Chinese manufacturers have implemented the punch hole camera cutout, and even the technology is moving advanced towards the under display camera sensor, and not having such kind of an iPhone which has this technology is kind of a disappointing. But anyhow, moving on towards the second feature which I personally like the most of the iPhone is going to be the OLED panel which has been introduced inside the new iPhone 12 series. Obviously this is going to be much brighter in terms of a display, and also you will notice that the LED which is present inside the OLED panel are going to be very much impressive because blacks are going to be darker blacks and the colors are going to be pop up. Also one of the main important thing which is going to be noticeable is that it is coming with a 1200 nits of brightness. That kind of a brightness which we have seen is going to be very helpful when we use our phone in direct sunlight. Also that OLED panel on the front is coming with a new technology that has been introduced by Apple, and that is going to be the ceramic shield. Basically that shield is going to be a new technology which use a diamond pattern inside the glass, which will help out to be 4 times more resistance to drops as Apple claims it. And many of the YouTubers on internet has tested out these kind of claims by dropping their phones on the front side, which clearly gives us indication that the iPhone is coming with a really strong glass. And that glass, I think that it very much resembles to the Gorilla Glass Victus which we have seen in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The next feature which I personally like about that is going to be the 5G support. It's going to be the first ever smartphone from the company that is going to be coming with a 5G support inside the devices, and that pretty much all the series in iPhone 12 is going to be coming with a 5G support. It's going to be one of those devices which are coming with a 4 gigs of downloading speed. Also keep in mind that in the US variant of the iPhone 12 series it is going to be coming with an mmWave technology, and there is going to be a special cutout in the antenna that has implemented that mmWave technologies inside your iPhone. And the rest of the world is going to be coming with a sub-6 category of iPhones. Also do keep in note that in order to save the battery capacity, there is going to be a smart data mode which is going to be implemented in the iPhone 12 series, which will help you out whenever you need any high intensive task in your data. Downloading speed is going to be reached up to 5G, and whenever you are not doing any kind of a high intensive downloading or uploading on your device, then this is going to be shifted towards the LTE. Next in the list is going to be the MagSafe charging. It is a new technology that has been introduced inside the Apple iPhone, and there is going to be a magnet-like structure present on the back side of Apple iPhone cover, and you can attach your MagSafe charger and connect your device wirelessly and easily charge your device without the need of any other charger. Do keep in note that this year iPhone doesn't coming with any kind of a charger inside the box. So in order to charge your device, you either need any kind of a QI wireless charging, or you can buy the MagSafe charger from Apple. Also there are a bunch of other accessories which are coming alongside with the Apple MagSafe, and they are going to be the wallet, the covers, and pretty much third-party manufacturers are also coming up with new solutions for that type of technology. Lastly is going to be the camera sensor that is going to be implemented inside the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is going to be the one of the difference which you are going to see inside the Apple devices. And this is one thing which is going to make a big of a difference in terms of rest of the series in the iPhone 12 models. Basically, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a little bit larger sensors than the iPhone 12 Pro, and its screen size is also bigger, and it will provide you a little bit more light inside your camera sensor, which will allow you to take a good quality images. Also, do keep in note that there is going to be a new optical image stabilization has been introduced, and instead of the previous generations of optical image stabilization, you are getting a new type of optical image stabilization inside the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is going to help you out in stabilization of your images. The whole sensor is going to be moving in a part, and that is going to help you out even more stabilization of your device. Another thing which is more important is going to be the night mode capabilities, which is going to be available in all 4 camera sensor that has been introduced. The LiDAR scanner is another thing which has been implemented in terms of camera sensors, which is going to help you not only in the night photography but also in the depth sensor. I personally excited about these camera sensor. Whenever they come on the market, I will try to test out these as well. So guys, I think this is one of the best iPhone which has been implemented since from the beginning. Honestly, the price tag of the device is going to be pretty much similar with the previous generations of iPhone. $1,100 is the price tag for the base model of iPhone 11 Pro Max, which you can make a pre-order on November 7, and November 14 is the date when you will be delivered your iPhone. So guys, what is your main feature of iPhone 12 Pro Max? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. And thanks for watching this video. Peace out.